Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Puppy Power. Today I'm gonna do a monster truck race track. I'll show you how you do it. First, these are all my tricks. First one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We have six. So keep an eye on them. See if you know what it is. Okay. So first you go down all the way down to the end. Go down the slide. Go onto the sledding board and then go into one of the helmets. Let's see if any of them can make it. Okay. First. That purple one always wins. But this is a new one. This is a new track that I just made. So let's see if they could even make it. Glass. This one has glass in it. Ew. I got it. Okay. Let's see here. Sorry guys, I'm just doing something. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, looks like almost all of them made it. See if almost all of them made it. Let's see. It looks like some of them might be in the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 made it! No way! 4 made it. And this one made it. And this one made it. This one made it. And this one made it. No way! Let's go do it again. What if we did 2 at a time? I'm going to do 2 at a time. This is just a warm-up, so let's put these trucks up. It might take me a while, but let's go. That was just a warm-up to start off with, so let's do the real race now. The real races, I mean. And the real rounds. We're starting off with this white one versus this black one. Okay, let's do this one and the other one going on 2. And 3, 2, 1, go! See if any of them made it. Ooh, looks like either 1 or 2 made it. Can't tell, but I think one of them made it. There's the other one. That one did not make it. Okay, the losers go over. The winners go over here. The losers go over here. Next race. This brown one versus this red one. This is brown one. Oh, see. Here. Hey, can't cheat. 3, 2, my God. 3, 2, 1, go! Sadly, only won. Oh, right there. I don't see the. Okay, guys. Since there's 2 of the helmets, maybe we should make it harder and make it 1 of the helmets. Use this one. Okay. Put this helmet back. Okay. Who was the one who got? Oh, the red one. If 2 of them make it, then I'll be serious. But I'm not sure 2 of them will make it. But okay. Let's go on to the next. People, this purple one versus this another one. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I think we have to do another race. Because none of them made it. Let's do it. Three, 2, 1, go! Again. Final race. This has to be our last race. Oh, is none of them good enough to win this, so. Okay. Again. Seriously, again. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. How is none of them making it right now? This is so weird. They don't make it again. We're just going to judge on who goes the farthest. I can't believe none of them can make it. This is like so weird. Because the purple one's the best. He usually wins a lot. So, try this again. Put them in different ones. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. And did they make it? So we're just on the farthest. The farthest one is the purple one. Lisa. Sounds like Lisa. Bueno. Okay. Now we're racing all 3 of them. Since this is not even a number, so let's go. Put them up here. If one of them makes it, that's the champion. 2 of them make it, then we're gonna go both of them. If all 3 of them make it, we're gonna go again. Okay, so here, here, here. 3, 2, 1, go! did it die? Nope. None of them made it in. Let's do another race. Okay. Oh my God. In 3, 2, 1, go! Again, no one made it. Gonna do another one. Okay. Let's do another one. This is like what happened last round. So we come to the fourth. If we have to do a fourth race for this one, then if they don't make it, then we're gonna judge on who goes the farthest. In 3, 2, 1, go! Did one of them make it? I think I saw one of them make it, I think. Okay. Did I make it? No, I made it under. Okay, last one. If none of them make it, then we're judging on who goes the farthest again. And then those are the champions. Actually, no, I'm going to pick 2 for the sake of doing this. In 3, 2, 1, go. One of them made it. This one is the winner. Or the champion. Okay, now we know who the champion is. They go here. The second one was... Let's not pick a second one. Champion goes here. That's champion. I had to call the phone off because it's pretty... This is like a swing here, so... Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya.